Are you seeing the message your storage could not be upgraded when trying to upgrade your iCloud storage on your iPhone? This issue can be frustrating and may arise from various factors, including connectivity issues or problems with your Apple ID. But don't worry, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. So let's get started. Before trying anything, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Also, disconnect from VPN networks. Solution 1, sign out and back in to iCloud. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap your Apple ID at the top, then scroll down and select Sign Out. Wait a moment, then sign back in with your Apple ID. Solution 2, update iOS. Open Settings, tap General, select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install to ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes. Solution 3, try upgrading storage again. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, select iCloud, then tap Storage, tap Get More Storage, select the plan that seems best for you, then hit Upgrade to iCloud Plus. Solution 4, check Payment Method. Open Settings and tap your Apple ID at the top. Select Payment and Shipping. Ensure that your payment method is valid and up to date, as an invalid payment method can cause upgrade issues. Solution 5, reset network settings. Open Settings and go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your passcode and tap on Reset Network Settings again. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of iCloud saying your storage could not be upgraded on your iPhone. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask for more support. Thanks for watching.